So I'm starting to get back into making YouTube videos again. And I just got a new compressor. The Husky 30 gallon from Home Depot. Nice unit. I was looking at the one from Harbor Freight, the similar model. And I got this one for about 150 bucks off. It was a return model. Good unit, refills fast. One thing though, make sure to change your oil. That gets really black after the break-in period. But after that, I was looking at the Harbor Freight tools for the prices. I got the hose reel for 80 bucks. That works great. And there's not a lot of videos on this air ratchet, which works pretty good. Now, I know they recommend 90 psi, but I've got mine at whatever the max is, 150, 155. So, these are just ATV lug bolts, nothing special. I checked them with the torque wrench at about 40 pounds. This thing's rated for 70, so let's give her a try. Not bad. Now those are the ones that I over-torqued. The ones that came torqued, I just bought this Grizzly. The ones that came torqued from the factory are much easier to remove. So, this thing works pretty good. A lot of people say bad things about Harbor Freight, but so far I'm impressed. And I ordered my the Earthquake XT half-inch drive impact wrench last month, and they're still on back order, and I'm still waiting to find out when those are going to come in. But one thing I wanted to mention is a lot of people talk about, you know, enhancing your airflow, and these are the high airflow aluminum hookups from Husky. And they are more expensive, but when you compare them, there's a normal. If I can hold this up. There's the normal, and that's the aluminum high flow. Quite a bit bigger, and it's almost comparable to the bigger airline, the 3/8 or whatever they are. So, these are more expensive, but they're worth it. And I just bought one set to try them out. I'm going to switch everything over to those, get a little better airflow. So, for 80 bucks, this thing's pretty cool. Works good. We'll see how long it lasts. You got to oil them. Doesn't matter if you're not using them. You got to oil the hell out of them.